Focus, Allie, focus. Okay, we're just gonna do this because what do we got to lose? Nothing. No. It's not gonna let me film this. Oh, hey. How's it going? Nope. Say hello to the camera. Hi. Hello. Hey there. Hiya. Hey, Allie here. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to be eco during a pandemic. This video is for all you people out there in the ether who want to be eco-friendly but don't know how. Today I'm here to talk to you about ways that you can be eco-friendly in a pandemic that really don't cost any money, actually, now that I think about it, and that are easy to implement into your life. Number 1, bag your own groceries. Germs are a no-go, right? We're all wearing masks and gloves and using hand sanitizer, but you can actually bag your own groceries. So Trader Joe's does not allow you to bring your bags into the store, but they will happily scan your items and put them back into the cart. You can take your cart out to your car. You can fill up your reusable bags with your groceries and you take the cart back. It only takes a few extra minutes and you're saving the planet, you're saving the trees. Sprouts, Ralph's, Albertsons allow you to bring your bags into the store, but the grocery attendant and the checkout people, what are they called? They will not bag your groceries for you. So if you bring in your own bags, you then have to bag your own groceries. Number 2 is to make a grocery list. They keep me on track when I go to the store so that I don't get things that aren't on the list. Don't get the things that aren't on the list. This way you get the things that are only on the list and you're saving yourself money and you have less food waste, which is eco-friendly. I want you to think about what it is you're putting into your body. So even though we are stuck at home, it's really easy to be a couch potato and watch Netflix and eat potato chips and Oreos and all these wonderful things, which they're not terrible, everything in moderation, even moderation, but I encourage you and challenge you to think about what it is that you're putting into your body, because small changes have a big impact. And we can make small changes every single day for ourselves, and by choosing to be more mindful about what we're eating and what we're buying, we can make an impact in our lives. Number 3, get outside. Go outside and pick up trash. I found at the local 99-cent store this trash picker-upper thingy. Trash grabber, picker-upper. I like picker-upper better. I mean, you know, if I'm not gonna do it, then who is? If not me, who? If not now, when? Put on gloves and you take a plastic bag with you to put the trash into, and you pick up trash around your neighborhood. First of all, you're getting outside, getting some vitamin D. You are making the world a more beautiful place, because let me tell you, trash ain't cute. Okay. Number 4, mindful shopping. It's really easy to just buy things online, especially with Amazon and other things, but I challenge you, and in doing so, in saying this, I challenge myself to be more mindful when shopping. I have done a lot of couch shopping, that's what I'll call it. Sitting on the couch, nothing to do because I'm unemployed and there's a pandemic, you can't do anything. And I shop because why not? If you are feeling the urge to buy things online, put it into your cart and wait 24 hours. If you still want it, then get it. But most of the time I'm sure that you don't need it or want it, so get rid of it. Borrow it from a friend. Can you borrow a dress? Can you borrow a pot or pan from your neighbor? Can you borrow something instead of buying something? Just make sure that you give it back, you know, be a good borrower. What could you be doing instead of shopping online? You could make a cup of tea. You could meditate. You could learn a TikTok dance. You could journal. You could go for a walk. You could pick up trash. So I challenge you to be more mindful about how you spend your time. I'm going to be more mindful about how I spend my time, and use those tips for mindful shopping. Number 5, filter your own water. Stop it with the single-use plastic water bottles, please. We're all stuck at home. There's no reason why you do not have a water filter yet. I was using the Sparkletts water service for a while, but then actually transitioned to a Brita water filter in my fridge. So it's a one-time cost, a long-lasting 6-month filter, and now I have filtered water on demand, and I put it into my water bottle. My water bottle that's with me all the time. This is a Yeti. I invested in a really nice water bottle because I literally drink out of this every single day, all night long, all day long, and it keeps your water cold all day, all day. So I'll link that below. Because really, if you're using single-use water bottles at home, it's silly. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned some new things about how to be eco during a pandemic. Please like and subscribe this video below. I would love your support as I start this journey as a YouTuber. And as I continue making videos. I will be posting videos every Thursday at 11 a.m. Pacific time, and would love for you guys to be part of my community. My goal with this channel is to make everyone a little bit more eco-friendly, because our planet needs some love, and small changes, they have a big impact. So get out there, change the world. Ciao!